Hi, Ariel. Happy birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon. Dalaga ka na, 18 na nga na. Wish ko sana malang makatapos ng pag-aaral. Yun. Basta, narito pa palagi si tatay. Happy birthday. I love you.
One night, a few moons ago, I saw flecks of what could have been lights, but it might just have been you passing by unbeknownst to me. Life is emotionally abusive and time can't stop.
Sa aking bunso, ang bilis ng panahon, dalaga ka na talaga. Tandaan mo, marami ka pang struggles na pagdadaanan sa buhay mo. But with God in your heart, nothing is impossible. Sana mag-focus ka muna sa pag-aaral mo, matupad mo mga pangarap mo para magkaroon ka na maayos na buhay. Wala akong ibang hiling kundi matupad mo ang pangarap mo, maayos na kalusugan sa iyo sa lahat ng oras.
Like snow on the beach, like snow on the beach.
Lagi mo lang tatandaan na laging narito si Mama para alalayan ka at alagaan ka. Always remember na kahit lumaki ka pa, mag-asawa ka pa, you will remain my baby. Tandaan mo lang lagi na naririto ko. Hindi porket pinagbabawalan kita, pinaghihigpitan kita, iniingatan lang kita dahil mahal kita. Gusto ko matupad mo mga pangarap mo, mag-aral ka mabuti. Lagi ka lang magdadasal kay Lord. I love you.
Are we falling like snow at the beach? Weird but fucking beautiful. Flying in a dream. Stars by the pocketful. You wanted me tonight. Feels impossible. But it's coming down, no sound, it's all around.
As we welcome the star of the night, the Lady of Grace and Beauty, the birthday girl herself, Miss Miriela Akiatan!
Hi Bakulaw, happy birthday. Mag-enjoy ka sa buhay and mag-aaral ka rin mabuti, i-balance mo lang. Ayun lang.
Happy birthday, Mer! Happy birthday, Mer! I love you so much. I'm so happy na naging kaibigan kita. Pinakain mo talaga ako to senior.
Happy birthday, Mer! Kahit laging ayaw mo sa pagiging maingay ko,
Mer! Happy birthday, Mer! Sobrang OA. Happy birthday, Mer! Sana, i-continue mo lang yung pambubuli mo sa akin. Ay, parang... Happy birthday, Mer! Love you! Happy birthday! Hello! Okay!
Turning the pages, been burning the candle, staring at faces of people that I'll never know.
Hi Ariel, happy birthday. Gawin mo lang yung gusto mong gawin and alagaan mo lang lagi si Mochi. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Cracks beneath our feet catch our fall. This is how the world ends. Step into the hollow sky. This is how the world ends. I'll sing you a lullaby. This is how the world ends.
Happy birthday, Pangkin. Ikaw ang aking alalay kahit saan. At sana ikaw ay magkaroon ng magandang future, matapos mang study mo at mag-stable ka sa buhay. Narito lang si Tita. Anytime, any day, at kahit kailan hanggat buhay si Tita. Happy birthday ulit! Bye! Love you!
Loved me one last time. Well,
Ariel, happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come and good health. Lola Tita.
this is how the world ends. Stare into the hollow sky. This is how the world ends. I'll sing you a lullaby. This is how the world ends. Stare into the hollow sky. This is how the world ends. I'll sing you a lullaby. This is how the world ends.
Nandito kami Ning. Happy birthday. At kung ano man ang aking ma-request ay may tulong ay hintayin mo na lang. Basta happy birthday. Ingat lagi saan man naroon.
Hi, Ariel! Sana matupad mo lahat ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay.
Yes.
God bless!
Ako nga pala, si Kurt Clemente. Ito si Davey. Ako, si Nelson. Ako, si Martin. Happy birthday, Mer! Happy birthday, Mer! Joke lang yung finalist ko. Sana binabook mo na ako. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Be! Wala akong masabi.